Home of forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
Other than a flurry or two, the snow missed us yesterday, but it didn't miss
Wow.
Indiana. You are looking at a massive pileup that happened on an Indiana interstate yesterday morning after a squall line of snow caused whiteout conditions. Police say at least 40 vehicles were involved, and you can see dozens of those were tractor trailers. The crash stretched for about 3 miles and reached all the way to the Ohio state line. Thankfully, no fatalities reported, but that is a huge old mess. And heavy snow mixed with high winds in the northeast is causing some major headaches, especially at this airport. Yes, this is an airport in western Pennsylvania. Crews just can't stay ahead of the accumulation because the winds whipping off of the Great Lakes 25 miles an hour and even higher than that just keep blowing the snow around. So they plow off the runway and the wind just blows the snow back on the runway. Wind also obviously cutting visibility next to zero, so not too many flights going in and out of those airports. The winter weather around here pretty much has been confined to cold temperatures. We've seen very, very little snow, no snow basically for much of the mid-state and minimal accumulations elsewhere. Once again, we're just starting off with cold temperatures, no wintry precipitation really anywhere close to us. So looking pretty good from the Webb School Bell Buckle. Clear skies overhead, and that means cold temperatures this morning, but at least the wind isn't very strong. See the flag here from the city of Clifton and Wayne County just kind of hanging from the flagpole. It's not stirring around very much. Most locations around the mid-state not reporting a wind chill this morning. We'll check on that in just a second. Looking good from the St. Henry School in West Nashville as well. No fog out there this morning, nothing reflecting off the parking lot indicating any kind of moisture on the roads or any ice on the roads either. So at least the weather is looking good for the morning commute. We'll hope the rest of the traffic looks good for the morning commute as well. Sweeping the skies with the forewarned live radar, all the National Weather Service radars around us, and there is nothing going on. Our next chance of showers is going to move in about 48 hours from now. So we get a little dry stretch of weather here, and the next chance of showers is going to be all rain showers. Obviously, temperatures are going to have to change a lot in the meantime for that to be all rain. Right now, we're at 21 degrees in Nashville. That's not the warm spot around the mid-state. We're kind of the middle ground. 26 degrees in Parsons and in Lawrenceburg are the warm locations. 14 degrees right now in Livingston, 15 degrees in Cookeville. A lot of temperatures in the upper teens to around 20 degrees. Bundle up, and just enough of a breeze stirring around in spots to produce that wind chill. 13 degrees right now is what it feels like in Nashville. Same wind chill in Clarksville and Hopkinsville, 12 in Paris, and 11 in Burkesville. At least we don't have any single-digit wind chills on the map this morning, so small mercies there. As we head through the day, we're going to see a lot of sunshine. The winds are going to turn out of the south. It's not going to be real breezy, but that southerly wind is a warm direction. It's going to help boost temperatures up from around 20 this morning to the low to mid-40s by this afternoon. That's within shouting distance of what's normal for this time of year. Southerly winds continue tomorrow, bringing temperatures up into the upper 50s, and still a decent amount of sunshine overhead, just partly cloudy skies. Next system getting closer to us from the south. This particular computer model that we're feeding into Futurecast doesn't produce showers in the mid-state by Friday morning. That's still a possibility. The computers are still kind of spread out in regards to the timing of the next round of rain. So be prepared for rain already Friday morning, but it might not arrive until Friday afternoon. Increasing shower chances, and it is likely that we're going to get rain at some point during the day Friday. Again, this particular version of Futurecast thinks it's going to be Friday afternoon into the evening. Once again, the moisture gets off to the east before the cold air catches up, but it is on its way towards us once again. So a brief little warm up tomorrow and Friday, then the cold air is going to be back in time for the weekend and early next week. For today, it's obviously cold out there right now. Temperatures will be in the upper 20s by 9 a.m., upper 30s by noon, low 40s this afternoon. Some spots may sneak up to the mid 40s. Average high is 47, so just a little bit below that today, but about 10 degrees above it tomorrow. The rain chances will hold off until tomorrow night at the earliest. Best chance of rain will be Friday, just flurries over the weekend. Do not anticipate any accumulations there. Cold weather, though, especially Sunday, Monday, and into Monday night, down into the mid-teens by early Tuesday morning before we start warming up again.
All right, we'll buckle up and